Hi, I'm Chuck Carr, Dean of the College of Engineering. I hope to get you to join us in a big Bama Blitz campaign we have coming up September 15th through the 17th. We're going to work really hard to try to raise some funds for our student organizations and competition teams. We like to think in the College of Engineering that that's a super enhancement to the education we provide the young people who come study engineering here with us at the Capstone. Getting young people involved, engaged with things like the Eco Car Challenge, Formula One, Formula SAE, Mini Baja, Steel Bridge. These are all terrific opportunities for these young people. It provides them a tremendous exposure to the diversity of thought that we like to have our engineers graduate with. And sometimes to remove the barrier for students to entry, we need support for these organizations. We feel so strongly about this that the Capstone Engineering Society will match any donation you make up to $5,000. So please, think about us in the College of Engineering. Donate $20 to this outstanding cause. Thanks for all you do. Roll Tide.